The bloom phase is an important phase for your plant since the plant starts to bloom and produce flowers. During this phase, phosphorus and potassium are essential elements. So as a grower, you want to add those elements to achieve big and sweet-smelling flowers.
That's why Atami developed Ata Pk 1314, a bloom nutrient with the goal of providing the plant with extra phosphorus and potassium during the bloom phase.
Phosphorus plays a key role in plant metabolism, as well as in the human body for energy transfer and storage through the ATP molecule.
The energy from sunlight that is being absorbed during photosynthesis is eventually distributed and stored across the entire plant. This energy can make sure all the plant processes take place.
Interesting, right? Potassium is also an essential element for plants. It is involved with the activation of certain enzymes that are needed to carry out important chemical reactions. Without sufficient potassium around, the enzyme can't assume the right shape and hence cannot function.
Furthermore, potassium regulates the evaporation of water. In doing so, it cools down the plant, and water can flow from the roots to the top. When there is a shortage, the stomata close again and preserve water this way.
In short, the combination of phosphorus and potassium ensures a perfect combination for the blooming phase, stimulates an explosive bloom production, and is suitable for all types of substrates. Furthermore, it contains no ballast substances. Ata Pk 1314 is a must for every flowering crop and grower.
Try out Ata Pk 1314 and join the Atami universe.